le français, bonjour les amis, j'espère que vous allez bien. Today I'm going to tell you about health in France. What happens when you are sick in France, what can you do, okay? Health in France, how does it work? This video is about France society, the French culture. If you want, you can check the video in French language. I did also this video in French language, so if you want to practice your French, then you need to watch the video in French language. The first thing that you should know is la sécurité sociale. So what is la sécurité sociale? Sécurité sociale, it means when you are sick, you can get the refund of, you go to see the doctor, you buy the medicine, it will be expensive, so you can get refund by the government. You know, we have la sécurité sociale. Of course, la sécurité sociale doesn't cover everything. It's just a minimum guarantee. So usually it's not going to cover much. It's going to cover maybe 40%, 50% of the total cost. So how to do? In order to get sécurité sociale, you need to be a student in France, or you need to work in France. If you are working in France, or your wife is working in France, then you will get sécurité sociale. If it's like this, then you can get sécurité sociale. Now, if you don't work, if your wife doesn't work, you will not get sécurité sociale. You will not get anything. But then I believe, even though, if it is the case, you can still pay each month. So you can say, I don't work, but I can still pay. But then it will be expensive. I will tell you more about this because I'm going to go back to France from China. And I'm not sure that I'm going to work. So I need to ask about sécurité sociale. How much should I pay if I want to get sécurité sociale? Because if you don't have sécurité sociale, then whenever you see the doctor, it's going to be very expensive. And now, when you go and see the doctor, you have several choices. So the first thing is you need un médecin traitant. You need to choose one doctor, who will be your main doctor. You will be your main doctor. You need to choose one doctor. And this doctor, whenever you have something, you go and see him. Then maybe he will give you some medicine, maybe he will send you to do some further exams, further checkup, maybe he will tell you to go and see some other doctor, a specialized doctor. So most of the time, le médecin traitant, your doctor, the doctor that you choose, will be un médecin généraliste. So it's a doctor that will be looking at everything, généraliste, at all the body. But then you have some specialized doctor. Specialized doctor can be taking care of the eyes, or for the woman, or the psychiatre for the mental health, or for, it can be any type of doctor. This doctor, he will do prescription. So he will tell you, you need to buy this medicine, this medicine, this medicine. And then with this, you can go and buy the medicine. So whenever you go and see the doctor, you need some medicine. The doctor says, okay, I see what you have. You need to take this 6 pills each day. Then after that, you can go to the pharmacy. You can go to the drugstore. And in the drugstore, you will be able to get the medicines, okay, with this. Some medicines, you can just buy them like this. Anyone can buy it. Some medicines, you need the prescription from the doctor, okay. In order to get the refund, when you go to the doctor, you have a green card, and you give the green card, so you pay, you give the green card to him, and the refund will be directly on your bank account. Or if you don't have this green card, but normally everyone has the green card, if you don't have it, then you can also, there's une feuille de soins, so you need to fill in some kind of paper, and you need to post it to get the refund. But again, you can only get the refund if you have sécurité sociale. And in order to get sécurité sociale, you must be a student in France, or you must be working, or your parents are working, or your wife is working, or you must pay each month, a sécurité sociale. Sécurité sociale doesn't pay for everything. So what you need to do is you need to go, if you don't care, then you can go and see any doctor you want. But sometimes, if you go on the website, you will see there is the specific barème. So they will say, if you go to do the new glasses, we'll refund you up to 50 euro. If you have the issue for the skin, we'll refund you up to 30 euro. If you go to this, we'll refund you up to 100 euro. If you go to this, we'll refund you. So they will give a fee, how much they refund you. If you really want to get refund, most of it, you need to go to the public hospital, because the public hospital is very, very cheap. If you don't care and you do not, the public hospital is cheap, but you have to wait for a long time before you see the doctor. Maybe you need to give a phone call and book by phone, and then you have to wait for 4 months before you can see the doctor. So if you don't want to wait, or you want to have the best doctor available, or you want to see a specific doctor, then it will be more expensive. Then part of the cost will not be covered. Maybe only 40% or 50% or 20% will be covered. So many French people, they have the extras, they have the private insurance. So first they have Sécurité Sociale, which is the guarantee from the government, and then on top of it they have a private health insurance. Donc à bientôt les amis. I leave you for now. I hope everything is clear. If you have some question, you can ask me. À bientôt les amis. Take care.